Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Siachen Glacier. Why in news? April 13 marked Siachen Day, commemorating India's Operation Meghdoot in 1984. This operation secured the Siachen Glacier and is considered one of the most challenging military operations in history. On this day, Indian troops captured key strategic positions, ensuring control over the world's highest battlefield located in the disputed region of Kashmir. The day is celebrated as a tribute to the resilience of Indian soldiers stationed at the Siachen Glacier, enduring extreme temperatures and terrain to protect the nation. Before moving further, an important announcement. The next offline batch of the IAS GS Foundation course, Prelims plus Mains, is starting soon at Drishti IAS, Noida. The English medium batch will begin on 7th May at 8 am and the Hindi medium batch will start on 29th April at 6 pm. For more details, contact 87501 87501. Let's discuss about Operation Meghdoot. Operation Meghdoot was launched on April 13, 1984 in response to Pakistani attempts to claim the Siachen Glacier. The operation aimed to preempt Pakistan's seizure of Siala and Bilafondla passes, crucial for controlling the glacier. Indian troops were airlifted and supplied through air-dropping operations coordinated between the Indian Army and the Air Force. The operation led to India's complete control over the Siachen Glacier, making it the highest militarized zone globally. The strategic importance of the region lies in its control over routes connecting Gilgit-Baltistan and Leh with far-reaching geopolitical implications. Siachen Glacier. The Siachen Glacier is located in the eastern Karakoram range in the Himalayas, just northeast of point NJ9842, where the LOC between India and Pakistan ends. The Siachen Glacier is positioned from northwest to southeast. It originates at the base of the Indira Col West, a col or a low point on the Indira Ridge at an altitude of 6,115 meters, and it descends to an altitude of 3,570 meters. It is the second longest glacier in the world's non-polar areas after Fedchenko Glacier in Tajikistan. The Siachen Glacier lies immediately south of the Great Drainage Divide that separates the Eurasian Plate from the Indian subcontinent in the extensively glaciated portion of the Karakoram, sometimes called the Third Pole. Nubra River originates from Siachen Glacier. The Siachen Glacier is the world's highest battlefield. Now is time for the practice question, which also happens to be the previous year question of 2020. Siachen Glacier is situated to the options are A. East of Aksai Chin, B. East of Leh, C. North of Gilgit, and D. North of Nubra Valley. Send us your answers in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.